Hello and welcome back, beautiful people. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Kobe, and if you didn't know, this channel covers fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. So in today's episode, we're going to be looking at an absolute cult favorite and an absolute classic when it comes to footwear, trainers, and Nike just in general, is the Air Force motherfucking One. Okay. Air Forces have been around for so long, almost 40 years now. They first dropped in 1982 and they've just grown in terms of their popularity, and in 2020 they were the #1 most sold trainer. So it makes sense to be doing a video on how to style them, because some people don't necessarily know how to style them well, or they just wear them with a pretty basic silhouette or pretty basic outfit. So I'm going to take you through 10 ways that I would style them. 5 for the white ones and 5 for the black ones. Now, I know the majority of you probably only wear the white ones, but I also think the black are an absolute classic too. And yeah, people will say they're booters and they're for road people, but none of that. I'm going to show you how you can make them look classy, fam, and take you through some sick fits for the black Air Force Ones. So without further ado, we'll start with the white ones and let's get into look number 1. Look number 1 with the white Air Forces. I've gone with the black leather look jacket from the women's section of Weekday, a white vest, finished it off with these tapered cropped leg mocha cold laundry trousers, which I'm not sure they're still around anymore, but again, I'll link a description to something a little bit similar of a silhouette. And of course, got the white Air Forces on foot. Now this outfit is very clean, very minimalistic. The colors, the tones we've got going on, the white from the vest and the trainers themselves complement each other nicely, and then you've got the nice contrast with the mocha and the black jacket as well. So I think this is an easy, nice, classy fit as well, and it's not too like kind of road, and it just shows you the versatility of Air Forces, and I think that's exactly why they are the #1 most sold trainers. It's because they're so versatile and you can wear them with so many fits, which again I'm going to take you through. But this is a very simple outfit, and as always, all my outfits are going to be pretty simple. So let's get into look number 2, and let's start from the top. So I've got this beige nightcap on, one I'm wearing right now. Love this cap, got it from Zalando. Got this black cardigan slash polo thing from Weekday, which I got in a sale, picked it up for about half price. Wanted something like that in my wardrobe for a long period of time, so you can have it opened or buttoned up, tucked in, however you like to style it. But here I've just styled it open with a vest, black vest, which I thought just looked nicer. Kept it clean, minimal, keep it easy all the time. Then we've got these cold laundry cream trousers, which again you're going to be seeing them a lot more in my videos because I love these trousers, can't get them anywhere else. Very comfy, elastic waist, and then I finished them off with the white Air Forces, of course. So again, got another classic outfit, another very simple, minimalistic. And imagine if you switched out the Air Forces for loafers, for say, this would be another quality outfit. So if you're not a fan of Air Forces, then obviously just switch them for something else. But I'm just trying to show you how you can style Air Forces and not just always wear them with tracksuits or with jeans. You can switch it up and make your aesthetic a little bit different and just show that you have something else to offer when you're on road. So yeah, that's outfit number 2. Look number 3, and we're keeping it very monochrome in this one. And again, I've got another cap on, and the reason being is I haven't had a trim in time. So yeah, I just haven't had a trim in time and my hair's not looking great. So yeah, we've got caps in pretty much every single fit that I'm wearing. So then we'll move down onto the Dixie Jacket, which I've just got zipped up, got a vest underneath, kind of have any t-shirt you want on, black trousers, thrifted trousers, Giorgio Armani, patterned by my tailor Grant. Yeah, so we've got those. Finish them off with the white Air Forces. So easy, clean outfit, and yeah, definitely one of my favorites, and one that I'm going to probably be rocking now. Like, I don't wear white Air Forces too often, and I probably don't even wear Air Forces that often in general. Not because I don't like them, they're in my wardrobe for a reason, and I'm doing a video on them for a reason. It's just that I haven't always been the best at styling them, which is why I wanted to kind of experiment and showcase how I might like to style them. And now I've got a few ideas of how I'd like to play around with things. So definitely play around with what's in your wardrobe, trousers, jeans, whatever you have, and like me, experiment and find new ways that you can rock your clothes and so that they don't just gather dust. So yeah, look number 4, guys, and starting on top, got the cap again, Nicki Studios cap. It is a women's brand, but you wouldn't know, and I think the cap's hard. So if you haven't heard of Nicki Studios, then I'm going to link them in the description below. Loads of unisex pieces there, so yeah, go and check them out. Moving down, we've got the beige trench coat, which I love, as you've seen from the last video from Arket women's section. I mean, it's just, that piece is one of my favorite pieces of all time I think I've ever purchased. So love that coat. I'm going to be wearing it a lot. Then we've got the vest from Next, just any old Next vest, just any old vest in general, and you can recreate this look. Blue jeans, and finished off, of course, with the white Air Forces. And I think, guys, this, I know I said I like the last look, but I think this one might be my favorite look, just for the different colors, tones, even though it's very minimalistic and it's not monochrome, but it kind of has that style to it, if you know what I mean. Like, jeans are jeans, the beige, the white Air Forces as well, the black cap. Like, I think the colors, the way they offset each other and also complement each other is beautiful. So that's another way you can style them. And again, just continue playing with things and see what's in your wardrobe and how you can recreate your Air Force One looks. Now, look number 5, and the last look for the white Air Force Ones. And again, guys, we've got the Nicki Studios cap. Now, people might be like, why is he rinsing out this cap and why is he wearing it over and over and over again? And my answer to that is, why not? There is nothing negative about re-wearing your stuff over and over again. Like, I'm trying to build a wardrobe where it's pretty minimalistic and I can recreate and recycle my clothes and just pair them with different things to make them look like different outfits, or even just wear the same outfit again. You don't always have to keep buying clothes. So I've answered that, and now we'll just move on. We'll go down. Got a black t-shirt on, similar to the one that I'm wearing right now, black jeans, then the white Air Forces again. Obviously this very monochrome outfit, you could probably chuck on a denim jacket, the blue denim jacket that I showed you from Mango. I'd probably put that on. Even the grey ASOS Marketplace Thrifted Burberry jacket, you could chuck that on for a more sporty vibe as well. But it's just a clean, simple outfit, and you can pretty much put on any jacket on top, or bring yourself a sweatshirt or hoodie for the evening time. That is look number 5, and the last of the looks for the white Air Forces. Let's move on to the black Air Forces. Look number 1 with the black Air Forces, and I have to say I'm pretty excited about going through the looks for the black Air Force. And in my opinion, I like them way more than the white ones, and I generally tend to gravitate more towards the black Air Forces than my white ones. So yeah, that's exactly why I'm excited. So look number 1. So starting from the top, again, you know, guys, you know how it is. Again, we've got the Nicki Studios, the black Nicki Studios cap. I've got this beautiful navy blue knitted jumper from Zara with a white t-shirt underneath, just a little bit longer than the jumper itself, just so it shows a little bit at the bottom, just to give the outfit another kind of vibe, another aesthetic. And I just think it looks good in general, just when you just have like a tiny bit of the t-shirt showing at the bottom. Then we move on to the trousers, and I've got these ash grey cold laundry trousers. Again, they're from their first collection, so I'm not sure they're still around. And then I finished them off with the black Air Forces, just to bring the whole outfit together. The black cap, black Air Forces, the ash, the navy. You can wear navy and black, and I mean, personally, this is definitely one of my favorite outfits, period. Might not be for the summertime, but definitely like an autumn vibe to this outfit for sure. So yeah, I mean, look at it. The black Air Force, they look hard, right? They look hard. Come on, come on. So look number 2 with the black Air Forces, and it's pretty similar to a look that I did in my previous video, apart from the fact that I've switched out sandals for Air Forces in this one. So again, we've got the black Nicki Studios cap. Moving down, we've got the beige shirt from Uniqlo with the camp collar, white vest, tucked into these black thrifted Giorgio Armani trousers patterned by my tailor Grant, and then finished off with the black Air Forces. Like, I think this is another clean outfit, and you can see why I like these black Air Forces and just the versatility and what they can bring to an outfit. Like, it's kind of smart with the trousers, with the tailoring, with the shirt as well, but then you just got a chilled vibe still because of the footwear, and just the Air Forces in general will also always make an outfit pretty chilled. So outfit number 2, and another strong one I would say for the black Air Forces. I'd say they're winning right now. I would say they're winning. Don't know, what do you think? Look number 3, and we start from the top. I'm not even gonna say where this cap's from because you guys know. And yeah, let's just move on down. So we've got the Uniqlo U cream shirt paired with some joggers from Weekday. These black joggers are from Weekday. You probably saw both of those in the last video that I did. And then I finished the whole outfit off with the black Air Forces. I think this is a nice, chilled, cozy look. Obviously, very comfortable tracksuits. I think they sit well on the shoes and they just fit well in general. From Weekday, I think they're only like 25 quid. So pick yourself up a pair of those tracksuits. Obviously, you're probably gonna want to pick up maybe more than one, just in case they go out of stock. And obviously the quality isn't amazing. And I have talked about buying clothes with quality, but sometimes, you know, the fit is just too sick, so it can't be ignored. But with this outfit, it is a spring summer outfit, maybe for the autumn time as well. Like, you can put on like a grey jumper, a black jumper, and just give the outfit a different dimension, a different vibe. Just have the shirt sticking out at the bottom as well, still adding a color to the outfit, but just giving it a little bit more vibe and a rugged look too. So it's smart, but not too smart as well. So that's why I like this outfit. And again, I think that's a really strong one for the black Air Forces. But let's move on. Outfit number 4, and we finally have another cap that is not the Nicki Studios on. I'm sure you're glad to see. We're starting with a beige cap from Zalando. I'll link it in the description below. I'm not sure if it's still available. I think it might be sold out, but you can probably find it in other places. I mean, if I link it, I link it. If I don't, guys, like, I can't give you everything on a plate. Sometimes you just have to do the searching yourself. But anyway, back to the outfit. Moving down, we've got the blue denim jacket from Mango. I've paired it with the black thrifted trousers from Giorgio Armani, and then finished it off with the black Air Force 1's. And I think this outfit again is clean, simple, smart, and just shows you that black Air Forces aren't just road shoes. It really just depends on how you style them. I mean, look at this outfit. Look how clean it is. Look how just smart the aesthetic is, but casual at the same time. So very, very beautiful, smart, casual. Although I'd never know what that means sometimes, but I think this is a perfect example of a smart, casual outfit. So yeah, let me know what you think of that one, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one, because definitely one of my favorites. And now onto the 10th and final look, and the last look of our black Air Force 1's. And I know I've said a few of them are my favorites, but I haven't actually worn this outfit out yet, so I do think this one might be my favorite. I don't know, I'll let you know in the comments once I'm done, once I've gone through all the outfits again. But we're starting on top with the beige nightcap, this white oversized tee from Weekday, these brown, beautiful brown thrifted trousers which I picked up on Depop for like £6. The waist was huge. Took them to my tailor, got them panned up. Obviously, that's what I do. Go a bargain shop, look around Depop. I think there are some amazing pieces there. Then I finished the outfit off with the black Air Force Ones, of course. And I just love this outfit for the colors, the tones, the brown, the beige, the white, the black. They all just complement each other so nicely. And again, it is a monochrome outfit, in my opinion. Don't know what people think of monochrome, but I think this is a nice, clean monochrome outfit. And it's beautiful. The colors, the tones. Could even put on the beige trench coat and make it even more stupendous. So that is it, guys, for today's episode. And those are my 10 looks: 5 for the white Air Force Ones, 5 for the black Air Force Ones, and these are how I would generally like to style them. And just wanted to showcase to you guys their versatility, especially with the black Air Force Ones, as I mentioned, which are probably my favorite or my preferred choice out of the black and white right now. Was a big fan of the whites, but now I've fallen in love with the black ones, and I've fallen in love with the road shoe that I can make it look classy, and that's all that matters. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and all I ask is that you like, subscribe, share, and just continue with me on this journey, because it helps so much, and this is something I'm so passionate about, and I'd love for you guys to continue to support me, and hopefully we'll see where this goes. But I'm Kobe. Follow me on my socials, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Say hi, comment in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, thank you, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.